Make vegan chewy granola bars. Chewy granola bars are delicious after-school treat that your children will love. Most brands are expensive, but you can make your own granola bars at home. They are easy to make, and the recipe in this article is healthier than most bars that you can find at stores. Below are steps and guides on how to make vegan chewy granola bars. What you need to make vegan chewy granola bars. You need 2–1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1/4 cup coconut, 1/2 cup crisp rice cereal, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon vanilla, 1/2 cup softened butter, 1/4 cup honey, 1 tablespoon vegan margarine, and 1/2 cup vegan sugar. Lessen or increase the amount of ingredients according to your preference. Mix the ingredients. Combine the chocolate chips, crisp rice cereal, coconut, and oats. Mix the brown sugar, honey, butter, and vanilla in another basin. Stir the ingredients until they're evenly blended. Combine the dry and the wet ingredients in a bowl. Blend the ingredients together. Use your hands in blending if the mixed ingredients are too stiff. Press your granola bar mix in a square pan. The ideal pan size is 8x8 inch. Grease the pan with vegan margarine. Bake your granola bar mix. Bake it at 350 F for 18 to 20 minutes. Let it cool before cutting it into bars. Make a square, rectangular, and diamond bars for variation. It will increase the excitement of the children. Effective tips for your chewy granola bars. Apply some vegetable spray to your measuring cup before adding a sticky ingredient like honey. You can use peanut butter as a substitute for honey. Add a tablespoon of cinnamon and 1/4 cup of raisins to substitute coconut if you want to make raisin cinnamon granola bars. You can also add dried unsweetened coconut flakes, pecans, walnuts, dried cherries, wheat germ, chocolate chips, dried apples, pepitas, sesame seeds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, pecans, apricots, and dried cranberries to your granola bar. Put these ingredients in a food processor if you want a finer texture. Don't mix them in a blender if you want a chunkier and chewier result. Serve your chewy granola bars. Refrigerate the bars for a longer life. Serve them cold with pure juice drinks for a healthier snack for your kids. This snack is great to serve during breakfast and snacks because it's an energy booster that can help your kids in school and at play. Try other granola bars. Try no-bake granola bars, coconut granola bars, peanut butter granola bars, chewy granola bars, chocolate granola bars, Kelsey Nixon chewy granola bars, raisin cranberry granola bars, jungle bars, energy bars, Roman meal granola, grain granola, and chewy granola brownies among others. Try to make other granola bars after you have mastered the recipe in this article. Change ingredients and adjust their proportions to your liking. This is a delicious snack, so children will certainly like it. However, don't frequent this snack because they need to have a balanced diet and nutrition.